Good morning, children. Today we are going to solve problems on exercise 3.6. Look at the board. First question. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the water current. Here we assume her speed of current in still water. Speed of current in still water is equal to x kilometer per hour and speed of rowing in still water is x kilometer per hour and the speed of the water current y kilometer per hour. Then we know that the upstream speed and downstream speed. In previous question, we learned downstream speed is equal to x plus y kilometer per hour and upstream speed is equal to x minus y kilometer per hour. Also we know that time is equal to distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. Let the speed of current in still water x kilometer per hour. Speed of water current is y kilometer per hour. Downstream speed x plus y kilometer per hour. And upstream speed is x minus y kilometer per hour. And time is equal to distance by speed. Look here. Let the speed of Ritu in still water x kilometer per hour and the speed of the water current y kilometer per hour. Downstream speed x plus y kilometer per hour and upstream speed x minus y kilometer per hour. Also we know that time is equal to distance by speed. Then case 1. What is case 1? Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometer. 20 kilometer is distance. 20 kilometer in 2 hours. Time 2 hours. Row downstream 20 kilometer. 20 by x plus y is equal to time is equal to distance by speed. Distance 20 kilometer. Downstream speed is x plus y and time 2. Cross multiplication 2 into x plus y is equal to 20 implies x plus y is equal to 10. Equation 1. Then what is case 2? In case 2 and upstream 4 kilometer in 2 hours. 2 hours upstream 4 kilometer. Upstream speed is x minus y. Cross multiplication 2 into x minus y is equal to 4 implies x minus y is equal to 2. Equation 2. Here 2, 4. 2, 1, here 2. Cancelled. X minus y is equal to 2. Solving 1 and 2. X plus y is equal to 10. X minus y is equal to 2. Solve 1 and 2. Adding these two, plus y minus y 0. 1 plus 2 gives 2x plus 0 is equal to 12. X is equal to 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 by 2 is equal to 6. Put x equals 6 in 1. What is 6 plus y is equal to 10. Y equals 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Therefore, x equals 6, y equals 4. Means speed of Ritu in still water. Speed of Ritu in still water is equal to 6 kilometer per hour and speed of water current is equal to y. Y is 4 kilometer per hour. Therefore, our answer is first one. Speed of Ritu in still water 6 kilometer per hour. Speed of water current 4 kilometer per hour. Look at the second question. Question number 2. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work, and also that taken by one man alone. Read the question. Question 2. Women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish the work in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman and one man alone to finish the work. Listen. Let the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work is equal to x days, and time taken by one man alone to finish the work y days. Here we assume time taken by one woman alone to finish the work is x days and one man alone to finish the work is y days. Therefore, one woman's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by x, and one man's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by y. But here we assume let time taken by one woman alone to finish the work is x days and one man alone to finish the work is y days. So, one woman's 1 day's work is 1 by x and 1 man's 1 day's work is 1 by y. Now, case 1. Read the first part of our question. 2 women plus 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. Here 1 by x is 1 man's 1 day's work, 1 by y is 1 by x is 1 woman's 1 day's work and 1 by y is 1 man's 1 day's work. But 2 women plus 5 men together finish the work in 4 days. What is their 1 day's work? 2 women's 1 day's work is 2 into 1 by x and 5 men's 1 day's work is 5 into 1 by y. We have to finish the work in 4 days. What is their 1 day's work? 1 by 4th of 4 days work. 1 by 4th part of 4 days work. That is 2 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 1 by 4. Implies 2 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 1 by 4. Then case 2. Read the second part. While 3 women and 6 men together finish the work in 3 days. So 3 women's 1 day's work is 3 into 1 by x plus 6 men's 1 day's work is 6 into 1 by y is equal to total 3 days 1 by 3 of total. 1 by 3 part of total days 1 by 3. This is equal to 3 by x implies 3 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 1 by 3. Here we will get 2 equations, but these equations are fractions. 1 by 2. Remove this fraction. We multiply throughout by 4. 4 into 2, 8 by x plus 4 into 5, 20 by y is equal to this 1 by 4 into 4. 4 cancelled 1. This is equation 1. Here in this equation we multiplying throughout by 3. Here 3 into 3, 9 by x plus 3 into 6, 18 by y is equal to 1 by 3 into 3, 1. This is equation 2. Now we solve 1 and 2 for finding x and y. What is the first equation? 8 by x plus 20 by y is equal to 1. Second equation is 9 by x plus 18 by y is equal to 1. Equation 1, equation 2. Here put 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. We will get 8p plus 20q is equal to 1. This is equation 3 and 9p plus 18q is equal to 1. Equation 4. We have to solve this 3 and 4. For that we equalize any one of the variable, either p or q. 8p plus 20q is equal to 1. Second 9p plus 18q is equal to 1. This 3 into 9. 3 into equation 3 into 9 and equation 4 into 8. 3 into 9, 72p plus 180q is equal to 9. Equation 5. Then 4 into 8, 72p plus 18 into 8, 144. Q is equal to 8. Equation 6. Subtraction 5 minus 6. 0. 192 minus 144. 36Q is equal to 1. Therefore, Q is equal to 1 by 36. Put Q is equal to 1 by 36 in third equation 3. 8P plus 20 into 1 by 36 is equal to 1. 8P plus 20. 5 fours are 20, 9 fours are 20 plus 5 by 9 is equal to 1. 8P is equal to 1 minus 5 by 9 is equal to 4 by 9. 8P is equal to 4 by 9. 8 into 9, 72P is equal to 4. 72P is equal to 4. P equals 4 by 72 equals 1 4 1 3 1 by 18. Value of P is 1 by 18 and Q is 1 by 36. But we know that P is equal to 1 by X. So 1 by X is equal to 1 by 18. Therefore X is equal to 18. And Q is equal to 1 by 36. 1 by Y is equal to 1 by 36. Cross multiplication, Y is equal to 36. So the value of X is equal to 18 and Y is equal to 36. Therefore, required number of days for women. Therefore, required number of days for women is equal to 18 and required number of days for man is equal to 36. Required number of days for women is equal to 18 days and 36 days. Thank you.